Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Thuong and I am living in Michigan, USA. I have just moved here for more than 3 months and the weather is very cold, so there are not many outdoor activities to do. Today, my husband will take me to a fast food restaurant to experience fast food in the US. That is Taco Bell. I have seen it in Japan, but I never tried it. This is also the first time I have tried eating in America. Normally, I cook at home. I cook Vietnamese, Japanese, and some American food. Bruce, my husband, loves my cooking, so we hardly eat out. I think so many people know Taco Bell. This is a fast food restaurant that sells Mexican food such as tacos, burritos, nachos, and many more dishes. We ate a lot of Mexican food in Da Nang, Vietnam. It was really delicious. Of course, they are cooked by professional chefs, not like in fast food restaurants. Taco Bell is where my husband used to eat when he was a kid, and his family used to eat here a lot. That's why he wants me to try the food here. We ordered some famous dishes here. Let's enjoy food with us. Itadakimasu. Bruce said that Taco Bell is a cheap, average fast food restaurant. It won't be as good as the restaurant we have eaten at. Honestly, I found the food here to be okay. It was worth the price we paid. I'm sure many of you have eaten at Taco Bell, right? What do you think about the food here? Let me know in the comments. Thank you. Natsukashi?
Taco Bell, natsukashi.
最高食べた位置。
ナッツちょっと食べたよ。
あ。じゃあ、バハピア？
今年2回目。
No, 今年 first time 2025.
撮影しなかった。最後だけ。ゆう食べるちょっと。My favorite.
Your favorite?
Cheesy gordita crunch.
Oh, look. Dip. 2 layer. Hen combo.
美味しいかもだよ。2回目。
This is soft. Make is crab.
Crunchy.
Crunchy. Hen.
美味しい。
Ma. Starting in March, the snow will melt and we will have more outdoor activities. If you know any famous and delicious dishes, please recommend them to me. I will try it in the next time. Thank you everyone for always watching and supporting my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!